Good morning. My name is Natalie Corral Gutierrez, and so far I'll be speaking about my progress in ABA 624. So far with my progress, I have noticed that from my acquisition deck 1 to acquisition deck 3, I have been starting at a pretty low standard baseline, and then it's tends to increase, and by reaching the aim by the end of the week, which is maintained throughout the 2 weeks. As far as acquisition deck 1, that seemed to be remaining true. As far as acquisition deck 2, I have also reached the aim by the end of the first week in deck 2, and then I was able to maintain that aim for week 2 of that deck. And so far for acquisition deck 3, that was possibly one of my lowest baselines from what I'm looking at. And it's been pretty consistent as far as reaching the aim. I have been able to keep my ACEL at 16 throughout both this week and week 6. I have noticed that. As far as the pre-assessment, it was a pretty low score. It was about a 5 out of 24. And for my midterm, it was able to raise from 5 to 19 for the correct side. So I have been very appreciative of my study efforts that I have been doing. As far as my studying efforts, I went ahead and did the PowerPoints and I put them on my Google Documents so I can at least read through them every day as far as what materials we're going through for that week. And as far as my soft med terms, I would write the terms before doing the baseline, run my baseline, and then once I kind of get a feel of how I am with each term, I will color code it from, green to really well known, yellow to moderately kind of confused at times, orange being I should probably focus on these terms a little bit more. The only adjustments is that I would make is if I didn't reach the aim, then I would do from 2 to 3 sessions a day. I would then do 3 to 4 sessions of running through the notes and running through my study mode for soft meds. As far as meeting my objectives, I do think I met my objectives, and I think that was very helpful in terms of the discussion post that we have done, because going through the discussion post, they were very detailed, and I appreciated my peers' inputs on their discussion posts as well as mine, and I feel like that communication really helped the material really soak in, and being able to have a consistent, steady pace with what I am doing in the course, as well as, being on top of it with my studying, discussing with my peers, and also implementing what I'm learning into my work field. I think my objectives for myself have been reached. Thank you.